Oh wow, Jake, is that you?
Hey Jack, how you doing? It's been a while.
I'm okay, but I almost didn't recognize you. But wait, wasn't you injured?
Oh yes, don't remind me. I was in very terrible shape that time. It was touch and go there for a bit, but I got help from the best auto doctors. They actually took me to No Limit Auto Body.
Oh, that is so cool. And they did a great job too.
Yes, they did, and look at me now. Watch out.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher.
That is so incredible.
Yes, and they have many locations and they work with you. Besides that, you don't even have to wait to get injured. You can go for a touch-up.
They do? I think I'm gonna have to go myself. What is the place called again?
It is No Limit Auto Body. You can go to their website. It's www.nolimitAutobody.com. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the website, look for a location near you, and get that touch-up. Oh, it's green light. Gotta go.